Hi, I'm John and welcome to the Racing Line. We're going to feature right now our Abriza Ayala Mall Father's Day event, and we're going to feature right now another classic race car from W Autosports and of course Nats Performance pickup truck. Check this out.
Don't need your silly money. I never met someone like you, so crazy, but it seems so true. You give that thing to me that no one else can, baby. I gotta know if you feel the same too, cause I don't know what my feelings are going through. I'm sure it's love, honey. Don't need your silly money. I never met someone like you, so crazy, but it seems so true. You give that thing to me that no one else can, baby. I gotta know if you feel the same too, cause I don't know what my feelings are going through. Don't leave me here alone. Here alone. Don't leave me here alone. I was made for you. Here alone.
This is the Racing Line's Abriza Mall Father's Day special held during the celebration of Father's Day, showcasing a collection of classic cars and an all-around pickup truck. The event not only features Daddy's collection but also a wide array of Würth products imported from Germany. Würth, known for its high quality, featuring a complete set of high-end power tools, mechanic service solution, chemicals for preventive maintenance solution, detailing product solution, and engine protection solutions. A pickup truck like no other is also featured at this event. Here is Nathaniel Tan of Nats Performance to tell us about his vehicle. Okay, with us right now is Nat Tan of Nats Performance. Nat, first of all, I'd like to thank you for joining this Father's Day here at Abriza. Nat, ano tong Hilux ngayon dito?
Bali, marami kami dinagdag. Bali, kung makita sa car show yung previews, ngayon naka XD na rims na siya na 20, tapos naka 35 na mud grappler na Nito. Tapos may dinagdag kami na mga seat cover na waterproof. Para kung outdoor, mag-jet ski kayo, waterproof yung seat cover ng sasakyan. Tapos may inner roll bars na rin siya in case na tumaob yung sasakyan, safety yung driver. Tapos yung roll bar with roof rack para sa tent. Yun yung dinagdag namin. At saka gi-facelift na namin. Meron kaming kit na yung 2007 nila old Hilux, pwede na natin gawing 2013. So yung look niya ngayon 2013 na.
For this vehicle, ano yung pwede niya magawa? Kasi medyo may canopy, merong tent. So para siyang utility vehicle na tipong pang multipurpose.
Bali, ginawa namin siya for outdoor talaga. At least sigurado ka, hindi ka talaga maiwan kahit saan ka magpunta. Or mountain man, or madagat man, yan.
Tell us about Ironman. Kasi Ironman lahat eh. No, Ironman lahat, pati yung mga tent, yung canopy, something like that. Ano yung nila? Direction nila more or less? Kasi ikaw lang yata yung career ng Ironman dito sa Davao.
Ironman is made in Australia. Bali, yung pinagkaiba lang natin sa competitor natin, kompleto tayo, Ironman all the way. Then, we're 40% cheaper than other brand.
So Nat, meron kang inihila na jet ski. I believe yung mga viewers natin nakita na to sa TV, yung kumarera kayo sa Sama last year. Tell us something about that jet ski.
Bili, meron kasi tayong yung group natin sa Davao, JSAD. So tayo rin yung president sa yung group na yon. That's why pinakita namin yung jet ski. Bali, meron din kasi tayong bumper na siyempre panghila ng jet ski. Then kailangan natin Ironman din yung mga winch. Kasi kung maghulog tayo ng jet ski tapos ma-stuck siya, so kailangan natin full equipped talaga. Then yung jet ski natin dyan, it's a 2011 Kawasaki. So far, yun yung pinaka-fastest ngayon. Ginawa, 300 horsepower, supercharged.
Wow. So I guess makikita natin sila sa sunod na mga following months. May karera dito. Tama ba?
Probably Kadayawan. Meron.
Okay. So that paki-invite na lang yung mga viewers natin to check out the store. Saan yung store ninyo? Saan nila makita yung the rest of your products?
Bali, invite ko yung mga mahilig sa 4x4, kung yung mga pickup nila or SUV na matagtag, pwede natin yung palambutin. Malocate nyo kami sa Bali, R. Castillo in front of Diaz Marketing. Last Performance.
Alright, thank you.
Here is Willie Torres again to tell us about his new classic race car.
Okay, with us right now is another collection of my good friend, Sir Willie Torres. Sir, this is a 1969 Ford Escort. Tell us something about it.
Yes, this is a 1969 Ford Escort Mark I. I bought this car from the late Nonoy Harlego, the one who organized the PDRF, the drag racing in the Philippines. So when he passed away, his children offered me to buy this car. So I bought this. Initially, I wanted to restore this as a drag car, but later on, since I went into circuit racing, I decided I want to join the classic or the retro car circuit racing. So I restored it into a circuit car. So what I did here is W Autosports used to have a drag car named Isko. Remember the Ford Escort?
With the blue one.
Yeah, the blue one, the 2-liter engine, driven by Sunny Boy Garcia. So what I did is I transplanted the engine here, and I installed the twin Weber 45s. Then I bought 8-inch mini lights competition wheels, and flaring and bodyworks were done by N Sports Manila through Enteng Florendo. And basically this is a race car. Suspension is by gas, and the suspension at the back is already a multi-link suspension. It's different from the coil one. So it's basically this car designed for racing. So hopefully I'll be seeing action in Manila at the Batangas Racing Circuit or in the Clark International Speedway by maybe September of this year.
Speaking of racing, who are you going to compete with? What are the cars competing in that competition?
Marami. There are classic Celicas, Carmen Gias, Ford 356, MGs, yung all classic cars. Mostly it's cars 1972 or older.
Then the modification is open?
The modification open, provided that it's period correct ang setup mo. You cannot run with a Toyota or a turbo engine. It has to be the same engine that came out in the car or during that period. Kaya dito nilagay ko talaga engine ng Ford Cortina.
Sir, you add something. That's the Weber. Please tell us something about it. What is gonna do with the old engine of Esco?
Well, the old engine Esco is just using a single carburetor. So when you use a twin Weber, I think your horsepower will also likewise increase, and that's better engine response.
Sir, tell us something about the difference between a 2-door and a 4-door for the Escort. Does it make a difference when you're gonna use it on the circuit or something?
Basically, the 2-door chassis is more rigid than the 4-door car. But they're the same weight. But racers prefer the 2-door because of the rigidity of the body. So the handling is not affected.
All right, so there you have it, Sir Willie Torres and his Ford 1969 Escort. So there you have it, a classic car from W Autosports, a classic race car. You got to check out that one in the races in Clark. And of course, not performance Toyota Hilux. It's really indeed a utility pickup with everything on it. So we'd like to thank Ariza Ayala Mall for making us part of your Father's Day special.